super kinikilig po ako sa mga pagkain because we are able to find or discover another restaurant that is above the norm. I think what we're trying to reach here are the guys who love yung mga pagkain ng mga neighboring countries natin, and then you're craving for it. Travel no more! Ano pa po kabalin? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, we are going to show you or introduce to you the newest fusion restaurant that you wanna check out. Guys, if you're talking about Asian fusion, Western, Filipino, and a lot more, they have 100 dishes in their menu, just to let you know, guys. So nandito tayo sa Renyle Cuisine, and yeah, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna talk to the owner and know more about the business. Let's go!
Hello guys. I'm Chef Renyle, the owner and chef of Renyle Cuisine. We started the fusion restaurant way back 3 years ago. Nag-originate to sa Tarlac City. Come up with the fusion concept, which we combined Asian, Filipino, and Mediterranean and Western cuisine. We have at least, I think, 100 dishes. Siguro, ipapatry ko muna sa itong biryani platter namin.
Biryani platter?
Yes, which is bestseller siya. Nandun na yung mga goat, beef, chicken, and seafood.
Grabe siya. Sobrang, I mean, parang sineshred ko pa lang to, it feels of itself. Sobrang lambot.
So, I think kailangan mo rin i-try yung rice.
Sige po, sige po.
Ang rice natin is gawa siya sa basmati rice.
Basmati, original.
Which is yung long grain.
So, I think yung mga viewers po natin na nakarating na ng, for example, Singapore, Malaysia, Middle East, and na in love kayo sa mga pagkain nila. Of course, di naman natin tinatakwil yung Filipino food natin, no? But then again, siyempre, yung kakaiba sa palate natin, namimiss mo yun eh. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, na-excite po talaga ako nung nalaman ko na you're serving this Singaporean food, Vietnamese,
and then we have Thai food. Gusto namin ipatikim sa mga taga Pampanga na at least hindi mo na kailangan mag-travel kasi ngayon may restriction sa travel, di ba? So kailangan natin, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa. Available na tayo dito sa Pampanga, and just in case, mag-visit naman kayo sa Tarlac. Ano din,
ano yung location natin, sir?
Sa Tarlac, ang location natin dun sa may bypass road, near Sogo Hotel lang kami.
Sa Filipino platter natin, we have inasal,
we have barbecue, we have garlic longganisa, we have salted egg, which is ito yung mga hinahanap usually ng mga galing ibang bansa.
Yes. Oh!
Ayun. So pa yung mga, kumbaga, yung mga galing ibang bansa, meron naman kami something to offer na. Ito yung mga namimiss nila.
Yes. So yung sinaserve naman sa atin dito, sir, is what do you call it?
Ito yung tinatawag naming version namin, Tom Yum.
Tom Yum.
No need to go to Thailand, dito wala, tikman mo na dito.
So Tom Yum is originally from Thailand?
Yes, from Thailand.
And then yung pinaka-base ng soup natin?
Ang pinaka-base niya is meron siyang tamarind, meron siyang lemongrass, galangal. So yun yung malalasamang flavor. May touch of coconut milk.
And then yung pinaka-meat naman natin, sir,
is seafood.
Seafood?
Yes.
So can you replace it?
Yeah, can you replace ko? Ba, may allergy sila sa seafood, pwede namin palitan ng chicken. No problem.
Okay. Ang sarap nung yung coconut milk.
Ito yung malalasano talaga. May coconut milk siya, yung spices niya.
Speaking of specialties, so in 100 menu, ano yung mga specialty mo, sir?
Nag-specialize kami dito ng mga tom yum, laksa, pad thai, biryani, beef rendang, crispy chicken rendang, darolad, Filipino dishes namin like yung mga bagnet, crispy pata, which is bestseller na talaga. Dito na lang sa Pampanga, matitikman na nila yung mga iba-ibang classic dishes na gusto nila matikman. available tayo sa online delivery. Pwede silang mag-message sa Facebook page o kaya sa personal number namin dito sa restaurants. Available din tayo through Pampanga.
Yes.
Meron din tayong in-house delivery or they can call para pick up na lang yung pagkain para hindi na sila maghintay. Pwede
Yes. So again, this is pad thai, tama ko ba? And this is from anong...
Ito naman from Thailand naman.
Thailand. So,
Ito, we use ito, rice noodles.
Okay. So in itself, ready na siyang kainin.
Oh,
But do you add other,
Pwede kang mag-add dyan ng calamansi or lemon or lime. Dito tayo sa Pilipinas.
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
Really? Okay.
Magamit kami dyan ng watsoy.
Watsoy?
Oo, watsoy. Yung tinatawag nilang sa ibang bansa yung coriander.
Yun, coriander.
Normally ito sa mga nagda-diet.
So, yan. So, very iconic yung spring roll natin para sa mga nagda-diet. Sabi nyo, ano yung component niya?
Meron siya mga lettuce, cucumber, carrots, and then yung wansoy, and then meron siyang prawns and crab stick. So actually, kinakain na siya na dinidip. Parang asin, kumakain ka na din siya ng spring rolls.
Yes, yes.
So ang ginagawa is pwede mong iyan sa prep mo.
Yup.
And then ito yung sauce niya. So yun, gusto namin i-invite kayo na mag-visit kayo dito. At least, matry niyo yung mga sinasabi namin dito sa vlog na to.
Sabi ko kay chef kanina, super kinikilig po ako sa mga pagkain. Because again, we are able to find or discover another restaurant that is above the norm. So sabi nga namin kanina, hindi na itong unlimited samgyeopsal. Although, syempre.
Yes.
That's parang naging staple na.
Staple food na siya.
But then again, yung mga, I think what we're trying to reach here are the guys who love yung mga pagkain ng mga neighboring countries natin, and then you're craving for it. Travel no more.
Yeah, travel no more. Just talaga yung restaurant.
Yes, travel no more, guys. Ako, if you were to ask me from yung mga so far mga natikman natin, and we still have a lot. And thanks so much, sir, for being generous. So, for me, ang pinaka nagtatak sa akin, sir, is yung biryani. Again, it can be, yung spiciness level niya can be customized. Siyempre, when we go here, we bring our elderlies, and hindi sila, kumbaga, ganun tolerable sa anghang. So, they can customize it, guys. Ikaw naman na gusto mo, yan. Get the chili paste.
Get the chili paste. Kasi niyan.
Maraming salamat po for kumbaga, stretching your arms all the way from Tarlac to your sister province, your brother province, Pampanga. And yeah, we are inviting everyone na come and try, yung mga fusion food nila dito.
Kung halimbawa, naghahanap kayo ng mga pagkain na nami-miss nyo sa Singapore,
Yes.
or sa Malaysia, or sa India, or sa Middle East, pwede kayong mag-visit dito. And then we have also variety ng mga Filipino dishes, which is not the usual. Meron kaming konting mga twist.
Yes. Last question, sir. Are we serving mga party trays then?
Yes. We offering party trays, and then we offering also catering services.
There you go.
Yes.
There you go. Wow, guys, another great find for us dito po sa Where in Pampanga. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like, if this is helpful to you guys, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Tag mo yung friend mo na kumbaga ka-travel buddy mo. Hindi tayo maka-travel ngayon. Just go here, guys. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga.
Thank you.
Until our next discovery, guys. Peace out. Bye.
Thank you guys.
Welcome to Renyle Cuisine!